Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a quick, easy and delicious fish recipe, and it's honey garlic fish fillet where fish is pan-seared in butter and coated with a sweet, garlicky, savory and tangy sauce which makes this recipe so very delectable. So friends, let's get started with this interesting and amazing fish fillet recipe. So for my honey garlic fish fillet recipe, I've taken here 2 portions of Basa fish fillet, and now I'm going to season them with some crushed salt, some freshly crushed black pepper, as well as few drops of lemon juice. We'll now rub these seasonings well on both the sides of the fish fillet, and we'll let them rest for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare a sauce which is the core of this recipe. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Next goes 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of honey. We'll give this a quick mix. And our sweet, savory and tangy sauce for the recipe is ready. Next, we'll heat a pan and into it we'll add a tablespoon of olive oil and a small cube of butter. We'll spread the melted butter on all the sides of the pan. And now into this we will add the marinated fish fillet. We'll keep the flame on medium. After about 2 minutes, we will flip the fish fillet and fry till they turn golden brown from both the sides. We will flip the fish fillet one more time. And as you can see, they are well browned by now with crisp edges. At this stage, I will add another cube of butter. And as the butter melts, we will add into this now 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic as well as a teaspoon of chili flakes. Let's stir this quickly till the garlic turns golden brown and aromatic. And we will now allow the fish to be seared in this garlic butter for a few seconds. And now time to add into this our prepared sauce which will make this fish recipe so very amazing. We'll mix this sauce once so that it's well combined with the butter and chili garlic and gives a balanced flavor. And now we'll quickly season the sauce with a pinch of salt as per taste, as we've already added soya sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We'll mix this well. And now on low flame, we will allow the fish to simmer in the sauce for just 1 minute so that they can absorb all these flavors. And in the process, the sauce will thicken and coat well with the fish fillet. And as you can see, the sauce has thickened and coated well with the fish fillet. But before turning off the flame, I will sprinkle some toasted white sesame seeds on top. And our fish is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our honey garlic fish fillet on the serving plate, coated with a sweet, garlicky, savory and tangy sauce, which makes this recipe so very amazing to try for. So friends, I hope you will try this quick, easy and delicious fish fillet recipe. Also, I'd love to hear your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.